Morning, morning.
Morning.
Featuring a new guest. Olaf's first trip to Magic Kingdom.
Hold on. 2 new guests too.
Who's? Oh, and the Crocs! Woohoo! That's so funny.
Oh, a bit blurry today. Humid.
It is a bit humid. We've got our donuts, we've got from Target.
Delicious.
And
Not the healthiest breakfast, but
we got the Dunkin' iced coffee, which we had also this morning, which was amazing. Hopefully, like now, we won't need to do a Starbucks
yeah.
run until perhaps this afternoon when we're flagging a bit. But that sleep I had yesterday really sorted me out.
Oh, I feel re-energized.
Yeah, me too. Now, the question is, who's going to get stopped by security
It's
today?
gonna be me again.
Do you reckon?
Always me.
No,
Well,
today
it's not always me.
it was always me at the beginning.
It was always you,
Now I've learned from my past mistakes.
but it's since I've been taking my glasses.
Yeah, true. We're here
And
again!
we're
Woohoo! And we both got stopped.
Yep, first time for that.
I know, we both said it as well. Who's going to get stopped? And it was both of us. Well, here we are. We
To be
made it.
fair, at least the guys on security
They
were
were nice.
really nice as well. So,
And they give some tips on not to get stopped. That's good.
oh, mine just said basically all your stuff's gonna ping it off, but it is what it is.
Oh, fair enough.
Morning, everyone. We have some extra special friends here to welcome you all today. Let's hear it for Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
There we go, draw. This will be a good one to go on too.
Yeah, we do need to do that too. Round 3. It's such a cool ride! I feel like every time we do that ride,
Pardon?
I feel like every time we do that ride,
I love it more.
I love it more. But this is still like, I feel like I forget how good it is, then I'm like, oh, that needs to be higher.
Needs to be what?
Higher on my list of favourite rides.
Yeah.
I think I might have to have like a joint 3 or 4.
I'd definitely put it in joint top 3.
Yeah, but
For sure.
what though? Because you got Flight of Passage as well, Tron, Guardians,
Rise.
and Rise. Like me, I reckon we're going to have top 4.
Yeah, well the problem is that one you can do loads of times
Yeah.
because of the way you're placed.
Yeah.
Whereas
You
like Guardians
you got
can make me feel a bit sick.
But then to be fair, look at after breakfast.
That could be it.
That could be it. Yeah,
And then we just
it's
had
such a good ride.
breakfast now.
True.
So
true,
who
true.
knows?
This is our first time doing this.
Pardon? Oh yeah, their flags are cool.
Cute. Cute.
In Aladdin, you see him? I don't want to be at 100.
Either or. And they are known for that snake surprise, and surprise, that's a snake. Now you can tell it's a snake and not a boa because it doesn't have any feathers, and it was a python. It'd be about 3.1415 meters long, which is indeed massive. Now that is going to get us over to gorillas, Hourglass, 8 studio albums, 40 Africa, but I'll just tell you, goes on for Niles. And Niles and Niles, and it gets you all the way up to the African elephant. Now, fun fact about these guys, they can run up to speeds of 30 miles per hour. Makes them the fastest land mammal. In fact, they are so fast, the other one's already gone. But we are going to be changing directions up at the sandstone formation. Now, lots of people take that for granted, where they get absolutely rocked, so they get you right on up to the African belt. Famous for holding up the African pants, home to our widest range of animals, ranging from here to there. You've got birds, zebras, long-necked sheep. And if you look at that, we have stumbled upon the Indian elephant pool party, where you can feel free to take all the photos you want. They all have their trunks on. Isn't that nice? Now, coming up over on your left and your right-hand side, folks, you're going to see a couple of the baby elephants playing next to the rock. And then on your left-hand side up here is Tammy. She's got season.
We got Josh.
It's called I Lava You More Float. And it's Fanta Strawberry with Dole Whip Orange and popping candy.
Delish. It's nice.
Really good. Do you want to try?
That has been.
Ooh,
Good.
really good.
Nice.
You try. Better save that Dole Whip, he's slipping. Good.
Really good. Yummy. Just what we need.
Well, yeah, because we're on here for 20 minutes.
I feel so bad for her.
Change their mind about getting on here. That girl doesn't know what she's doing.
We might need to get rescued.
I'm a little scared here right now. We're not going to end up in the brink. I mean, at least there's an ice. That's right. Want to complain? Could have been at work.
All we need now is the storm to happen.
Don't say that.
Will?
I think, are we hooked on?
She'd really appreciate that. I
Left.
don't think you need the lashes on your back. This is the world's
Seems to know what he's doing.
Over there. There's the big bugs. We may never make it there. This has been going on for so long. Lots of flowing on too.
any either of them. Maybe the Dalmatian one. So we're going to hide a penny and see whether Mum and Dad find it in August on Tom Sawyer's Island.
Are we giving clues or not?
Yeah. Oh God, they'll never find it if not.
Huh?
Yeah, that looks good. There's one mansion. How does it feel to be living my dream?
So, is this any different to Splash Mountain? Love it. Yes.
Flatbread and classic chicken tenders. Our first one of the trip.
Yes. Okay, I've never had any kind of ranch, so I don't think.
Right now.
So yeah, let's give this a whirl.
Right here. Hot.
Very hot. It's like it's a bit like garlic and herb.
Ooh.
But yeah, weird, but don't dislike it. Approved.
Back up in 6-5 minutes.
I reckon it's one of those things where they're telling people to keep 65 minutes, but I think it'll probably be like
Time's it now then?
20 past 2.
Let's see then.
So I think really we'll probably be on by like 3:15. No, 10 past 3:15, I reckon.
Alright, watch your space.
We'll see.
I don't remember this part.
They could have eased me in. I've been on my feet for the last 48 minutes. Told you we'd be on before though. Oh Lord. Oh! That'll bring your lunch up. That can't be it. I got brave and I bought it. One hand. This is where it's going to rain on us if we're stuck like this, right?
Yeah.
That's me and you. Well, neither of us have bought our ID, but we want one of the cocktails in the resort. So we are just making our way back through Main Street. It is hot, it is busy. Space Mountain is currently closed, so we were going to go on that and then go back to the resort, have like half an hour to chill, get some food, and then go to Epcot for the show tonight. But yeah, no Space Mountain, so have to hop back and try and get that maybe tomorrow or the day after. But yeah, I think the parade's just finished, so it is packed.
He's a little shellfish. John, come on. Yeah. He can do better than that, don't you think? I don't think so. Yeah, thanks, Keith. Thanks, Keith. Come on, Keith, give him a shot. Okay, I'll try not to. Give him a shot, Keith. Hey! What? How do the Aristocats like their steak? Medium rare. John, yeah.
That's funny, I like that.
You are.
Just tried these. They remind me of like a strawberry Malteser. Do you agree?
I also agree. Almost like a cross between, like, you know those things you have when you're a kid, like those yogurt filled raisins. Bit like that, but a yogurt filled, maybe dehydrated strawberry.
That's what I think they are.
Yeah. Weird,
Is that not being healthy? Probably not.
No. No, 150 calories per 4 servings.
So we are off to Epcot for the fireworks. We've not seen those yet.
Yep.
That's exciting.
Very exciting.
We're gonna get the skyline up if it's running.
Yep.
It's been hot today.
Sorry about the blister.
Oh, Josh has got sore feet.
I've resorted to buying Crocs and it's still killing me.
Disney
but they
feet.
are bad. Yeah.
Right then, are we ready to go?
I'm just gonna get a water bottle and then yes.
Right then.
Fabulous.
And it is running.
Two.
We're not going down the bayou. We're not going down the bayou. We're not going down the bayou because they hate us. And we're not annual pass holders.
Turns out you can't get pixie dusted.
Unless you actually can't.
Unless you sell your soul to the mouse. And even then it's a lucky dip.
It's a big fat no.
Yeah.
Change of plans, as per usual. The rides and the wait times are quite long at the minute, so we're going to go get an ice cream sundae from the boardwalk. Because it's on our list anyway to do, so we're just going to walk there now and get something going. What do you reckon you're going to get?
I actually have no idea. But something quite refreshing, I think.
Refreshing?
Would be nice.
Okay.
Maybe do they do Dole Whip? Is that?
I have no idea, maybe. Let's see what the ice cream shop has. Maybe. Who knows? I thought this was going to open by the time we got here, but it's not. It's a regular cake cone.
So I went for the Thunder peanut crunch, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. It had like peanut butter sauce and hot bud sauce.
But
That's huge.
look at it. Oh.
Oh my god, this is really like nice as well.
I mean, I know it's not going to be good for me. I think it came with 2 scoops of vanilla and 1 scoop of chocolate on my one, but I asked him if I could swap out one of the scoops of vanilla for
Boring.
cookies and cream.
I went for the 2 scoop sundae. I went for just vanilla and strawberry and some strawberries.
And it comes to like $17, I think. So.
Well, they're huge, eh? Dinner. Cheers.
Hold on.
Oh no!
Look at them all.
Yeah, there's like so much stuff in here every day.
Wood carvings, let's have a look. Let's get some bits for the house.
No.
You never know.
No, I do know.
Yeah.
Look at you with the wine.
Yes.
What did we get?
So, Lo got the peach Moscato.
Yeah.
I got the white wine Moscato, which is just
that was $12. That was
$12 for what is essentially a shot.
I don't know why she didn't fill it up.
I know, that is what annoyed me.
Yeah.
The fact it is literally, look, 2 fingers worth of drink.
Yeah. Do you want to do a taste test?
Yes, let's do a taste test. Good.
Nice. You try
It
my
is
one?
good. Try this one. Sweeter, but
Sweeter.
nice.
Oh, good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So, a little taste test.
Well, that is nice though.
That is good.
That's lovely.
And then the peach one.
Oh, that's also good. I don't know if I prefer your one.
This one, I think this one's a bit smoother. That one is,
This is more like a cocktail, I think.
yeah,
A cocktail-y one. Delish.
agreed.
For your safety and the safety of those around you.
Look, it's like the world.
Mommy comes back.
So, I would say, technically, the best fireworks show I've seen in terms of, like most fireworks going off, most like size,
Yeah,
explosions,
big fireworks.
lights. It was amazing, but I will say the Magic Kingdom one hits you in the feels so much more, and it's so much more like a story.
Yeah,
whereas this is like a show.
I agree. But then I always think like it's always been for me a tie between Fantasmic and the Magic Kingdom fireworks show.
Yeah.
I love Epcot.
Yeah,
But Happy Ever After and the fireworks and Magic Kingdom always makes me cry. But that one was just a good fireworks show that I love still.
yeah, I loved it.
Yeah.
But I'm glad I can say like
You've done
I feel
it
like
now.
I've done it.
Yeah, that's exactly it. Yeah. Okay, I agree with that. It seems really slow at the minute.
What does?
This.
I'll be honest, this is going to be my first time on the monorail.
Woo! To the Magic Kingdom.
We gotta go see the mouse.
See the mouse again. I see him on the back of you.
We're going on a monorail. We're trying to get on Space Mountain and it's 45-minute wait.
I think it'll be shorter than that. I think all these people outside.
So we've got 5 minutes to try and get on the ride.
Are you going to set up the scanners?
Oh, Christ.
That was pretty smooth, to be fair. Did you ever go for security?
I know, I was really impressed. I was
Amazing.
getting everything out ready just in case. Do you need me to take that thing back from you?
What thing?
My portable charger.
I'll give it back to you.
Oh. Flower. I see.
And we're back.
Oh, I like how you've kicked yours into sport.
Oh yeah.
You're ready to go.
Sport mode activated. Come on, Lan.
Right, let's go. Okay, so it is currently 10:17 p.m. The park, Magic Kingdom, closes at 11. We've decided there's one major big ride that we've not been on yet, which is Space Mountain. We've decided after the fireworks show in Epcot, let's hop on the monorail and come over. So we're gonna do it at night time, at 10 o'clock at night. Wild. Good evening, everybody. So we are home. What time is it, Lo?
It is, I don't know, 12:05.
12:05. 12:05 What time did we leave the house? Or room? Like
8:30.
8? 8:30 at latest.
Yeah, we got there for 9. It's about 8:30.
Yeah. That's a long day of on the roller coasters. But
We did Space Mountain twice.
did Space Mountain twice from 10 p.m. So that's good.
That was really good, actually.
That was
That
wild.
was a good hack, actually.
And Jesus, being behind you
like, look-
was an experience. You're like, wow!
Whoa!
But it was really funny. And then we went to Main Street and Lois bought something really
Really cute.
cute actually.
It's a little Groot
Little
ring.
Groot ring.
Really sweet. I
Probably
like it,
can't
I
even see it, but yeah, it's really cute. So it is now very late. We are just walking back to the room, and then we will sign off for another day.
Tomorrow, what are we doing?
Tomorrow we're off to Animal Kingdom
Yeah.
in the morning, and then
We're gonna see whether we can rope
Hollywood
drop.
Studios maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can rope drop, but it's 12:05 now. Rope dropping for Animal Kingdom is like,
That's harsh.
what, like 7:30 is it?
Yeah.
You gotta leave here?
7:30.
Or have we gotta be there for 7:30?
Opens at 7:30.
So we gotta leave here really at like 7.
At 7, yeah.
So, yeah, see you all in 5.5 hours. Good night.